I'm Ian Slater, I'm the founder of Trove at Compass, and today I'm going to tour you through this Murray Hill single-family house at 130 East 38th Street. Let's head on in. One of the great things about a townhouse is that you greet your guests on the parlor floor. The house was first built in 1869, a full 100 years before the moon landing, and it has been recently bought and fully got renovated by famous designer Adena Conway. And you can sense the custom design in every inch of this house the moment you walk through the front door. Just check out the walls, the floors, and the light fixtures throughout the whole house and in here. Here we are in the living room with plenty of room to entertain in front of your gas fireplace. Or you can saunter all the way over to your mirrored bar where you never have to drink alone. Do you prefer shaken or stirred? One of the standout additions in this renovation was this amazing staircase. It opens up the space all the way to the top of the house. While downstairs there's a rec room with a huge skylight. We're going upstairs. Now if your friends are like mine, they show up hungry, and this light-filled floor is perfect for cooking, hanging out, and dining. It has a waterfall center island, a 2-inch thick marble countertop, and a who's who of top-end appliances. And not a dime was spared on the design of the kitchen, all the way down to the buster and punch light switches and cabinet hardware. And to finish the space off, these two beautiful vintage pendant lights. This dining table with room for 6 is oriented along this wall of windows. The floor has northern and southern exposure, allowing for a well-lit brunch. And from your windowsill, you can take in the views of this beautiful landmarked Murray Hill townhouse street. The primary suite comprises the entire 3rd floor of the townhouse. It is designed as a cozy and sophisticated retreat from your city life. It is filled with light and both spacious and comfortable. On the southern side of the floor is the 4-fixture primary bath. You can see special attention has been paid to the materials in the bathroom, from the Casablanca Mosaic floors to the Italian wall tiles. On the next floor are 2 guest rooms and an additional full bathroom, but I'm going to take you up to the roof. If your friends are again like mine, they like to get a little bit of sun. And what better place than this top-of-the-world roof deck? This is the perfect place for eating, drinking, hanging out, tanning, or gardening with landmark views of New York City's skyline. This is also the perfect place to end our tour of this one-of-a-kind Murray Hill townhouse. Thanks for coming, and I'll see you on the next one.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.